Jim, a lot has been made of your success as manager of the Dublin football team, 5 in a row.
Yep.
There must be a huge price to have paid for that. You know, a lot of sacrifices made. What was the price you paid?
Yeah, I think the price I paid was family time. You're away from home quite a lot. See, kids were very young at that stage and missed a lot of important family events. But I had my rock at home, Jennifer, and she's the manager, the leader in the house, and she looked after everything when I was away.
And now you're running for president.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of now all hands on deck again, and your family are looking at you, kind of wanting to achieve that
Yeah.
dream. You know, how do they feel about being thrust into the limelight? You know.
Yeah, well, it's a family journey, and we sat down over Sunday dinner number of weeks ago and discussed it. And my kids are at a different stage in their life; they're young adults now, and we've moved on as a family. So it speaks to what in terms of my service to the state, and the family understand that as well, and it's something that we're very keen for me to do, and I believe that I can be a positive president. President makes a difference, and represent the people of Ireland to the best of my ability.
Have you spoke about will they move into the Oris with you, or?
Of course, we've had that conversation, but it's like a bridge that's down that when it's way over the horizon, and if we have to cross that bridge in time, we'll meet that.
You mentioned during the interview as well that you're into stoicism.
Yeah.
With the small s, can you tell me?
No,
about that?
stoicism.
With
Yes,
the capital S.
stoicism
Yes.
with a capital S. Yes,
Okay.
stoicism. So, the principles of Marcus Aurelius, not the guy now in the Gladiators, by the way. It's the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. His book Meditations, or Epictetus, or Seneca. There's things you can control and there's things you can't. So in this presidential campaign, there's lots of things I can't control. I'm not going to be concerned about them, but there's things that I can control. And in life in general, it is about that, taking that responsibility, and owning it, and being accountable for your actions. And there are no guarantees in life. The Stokes would have said that. But if you want to make have a different result, make a different choice. So it's all about owning one's own career or one's path in life.
And we talk about this a lot in the interview, but you're very much a man who believes if you put your mind to anything that you can do it.
You can, yeah. And in Ireland, it's a brilliant country. We've got so many great opportunities. A stable democratic system, a fantastic education system, fantastic teachers, a great environment to learn. So whatever you want to be in life, there are no guarantees, but whatever you want to be in life, you work hard enough and really believe that you can get there, you will.